Hello, my dear doctor friends. This is a topic today, bronchial asthma. It's a very intriguing, interesting, very common problem that we face in our clinical practice. I am going to give you an overview of the management, of course, on the diagnosis and classification and staging of bronchial asthma based on GINA management guidelines. GINA is Global Initiative for Asthma. This Global Initiative for Asthma is sponsored by the WHO, and member countries of GINA have sat together in the GINA assembly and have drafted these guidelines based on the inputs from several experts in the field of asthma. As usual, this talk is available on our website www.drsharma.in. Over 130 CME talks are available for free download on this website. I request the viewers and listeners to take this into consideration and then make use of the website and use those presentations. All I require is to just give a word of reference to our website and the works that we have done whenever you use this presentation. Hello. This is a quotation from American Lung Association. When you can't breathe, nothing else matters. Very true, isn't it? In asthmatics, this is the one that is compromised to a greater or lesser extent, and we physicians are here to see that our asthmatics breathe as normally as possible and live as normal a life as possible and give them a lifetime of happiness. Volumes and volumes are written on this common topic, bronchial asthma. There is a paradigm shift in the management of bronchial asthma over the years. It is time that all of us unlearn our age-old, outdated practices and switch on to more evidence-based current recommendations on management of patients of bronchial asthma. The emphasis of this talk will be on to focus on what we should not do as we were doing earlier, and to know and start practicing what is to be done in the present day's knowledge and present context of understanding of this very common disease. Look here, these are all the member countries of the Global Initiative for Asthma. Global Initiative for Asthma is GINA, GINA, also called GINA, is an affiliated body to the World Health Organization. There is a GINA assembly wherein all these countries are member countries, including our country, India too. And experts in the field of asthma from these various countries frequently meet and update these guidelines. The latest update of GINA guidelines has been given in the year 2006, and we are going to base our presentation on these GINA guidelines of 2006, which is the latest available to date. Needless to emphasize that several resources are consulted to prepare this comprehensive presentation, and my sincere thanks to all those authors of those papers, of those materials on the internet. I might have used the images, text, quotations, diagrams and video clips from several of these resources. I acknowledge humbly that their resources are highly valuable, and I thank them for using these for educational purpose in this presentation. Listed here are several international organizations with their websites there, the foremost being the GINA, www.ginasma.org. ACCP is chestnut.org, American Thoracic Society, British Thoracic Society, NICE, National Institute on Clinical Excellence, Chestnut, and CDC, that is the Communicable Diseases Center, NAEPP, National Asthma Education and Prevention Program, CTS, Canadian Thoracic Society. These are the most important websites which I recommend you to visit them and then find more information on this topic.